Hey guys, today I am going to show you how I make Jamaican turn cornmeal in my kitchen, so come on and let's make this. This is a cornmeal I will be using. Ensure that it is refined. In the pot I added 3 cups of water. Each cup equals to 8 ounces. Now I am going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. 1 stalk of scallion, I chopped mine medium sized. 1 sprig thyme. 5 pimento seeds. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 can of mixed vegetables. 2 tablespoons of salted butter. Now I am going to give it a good stir and cover the pot and allow the coconut milk to cook for 10 minutes before adding the cornmeal. Here I am adding the cornmeal. I will do it gradually, and while I do so, I will mix it continuously. Ensure that you mix it properly so all the cornmeal will dissolve properly in the liquid. I added 3/4 of the pack. I am going to add 1/2 cup of hot water. I will not add any more water because the coconut milk and the butter will allow it to be too soft. So you have to reduce the amount of liquid that you add, but add enough so that it can be cooked properly, but do not over add the liquid. Now I am going to cover the pot and allow it to steam for 20 minutes. Cook it on a low flame so that it doesn't burn. This is how it looks after cooking for 15 minutes. This is how it looks after I finish preparing it. If you do not like it this soft, then you can add less water. This is how I like mine, so do you and I do me. From my kitchen to yours, I present to you how I make Jamaican turn cornmeal in my kitchen. I hope you guys will give this recipe a try. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, and please share with others so that they can know what's happening over here. Also, a curry chicken video is coming up real soon, so look out for that. Thanks for watching, guys. And please remember, if you haven't yet subscribed, to do so and turn on your post notification bell, and please do enjoy this recipe.